Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Before we get started, click the subscribe button, hit the bell, and give us a big thumbs up. Okay, so we said there's something going on over there. So we said earlier that we were going to make slime on camera, and we did, but we ended up not posting it because we did it with a friend, and the friend's mother was not okay with posting, so we didn't post. We just filmed, but we're going to show you how the slime turned out. So we put it in the fridge because it got really sticky. Okay. So we got the slime. It's Halloween slime. So there's probably going to be Halloween music in this. Yeah, mine isn't sticky. Nope. Where's yours, Lily? So it's a little sticky. Okay, put it down, please. I need a... Okay. Sorry, I was just showing over there. Okay. So we used... I'm going to tell you what ingredients we used. We used... What's it called? Oh yeah, laundry detergent. I'm just gonna feel Lily's. Oh, Lily's is, wow. Oh wait, this is Ella's. Ella Pizzuti, our sister, made the same kind as us. Me, Lily's, yours is super sticky. Goodness, it's gooey. This is not yours.
Yes, it is.
It's gooey.
Leave it in the wrapping.
Yeah, leave it in the wrapping.
I need to put it in the fridge.
Okay.
I'm just going to put it in the
Hers is so gooey. It was not. I think we gave the wrong one to the wrong person. So I need to add something to mine that makes it not sticky. We're gonna do another video of it because I have some leftover glue. Yes, I have leftover black glue. I could feel some in it. No. Okay, so this is mine. Sorry, the camera was going all over the place. Ugh, that's so gross. Gross. I love slime, but
How do you make yours like that, Layla?
I don't know. Mine's sticky. Okay. So that was it for the video, guys. We just wanted to show you and tell you about the slime. So please subscribe, comment below if you want. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! Woo!